Welcome to SSB Doubts. Understand the PPDT and TAT by examples. Example. Observe the picture
carefully. Pause the video and make your story. High-level idea. Ram was a district employment officer posted in Ghaziabad. He saw that students who had registered with the office were yet to get employment, and also that new registrations were on the rise. He thought he could solve the problem to some extent. He organized an awareness campaign that informed the students about various government exams that were available, and how to prepare for them. He also contacted some private organizations to encourage them to recruit qualified candidates through the employment office. He organized interviews at his own office, after which some companies recruited about 100 candidates. He was happy with his efforts and continued to do similar work in the future. Qualities demonstrated: good reasoning skills, difficult level of problem solving, responsible, determined, and making appropriate decisions. Story 2. Average level idea. Ram was a graduate who went to an employment exchange to register for work. He realized that some people who had registered a long time ago were still unemployed, and he thought of doing something about it. He organized his friends and approached the bank for a loan under Mudra scheme. They started a small-scale business and employed a few people. After that, they realized that the government was in a position to give more loans to encourage people interested in startups. They also created the awareness of these options for people who would benefit from them. Qualities demonstrated: social concern, average level of problem solving, responsible, determined, helping others. And visit the playlist section.
Join us on other social platforms, link in bio.